Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Sonic at the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 game. This will be the same whether on Android, iPhone, whatever the mobile device you're on, it's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, once you click on the app, this will be like the home screen right here, like the arena of the city of Tokyo. You're going to want to click on the two little cogs in like the top left hand corner area there. Click on that, that's going to bring up options. Then you're going to want to click user info. Then you'll see the name in the middle of the screen. Right now mine says subscribe. You want to click on the pencil to the right hand side of your name. And then it's going to bring up like the keyboard. You can change it to whatever name you want within like a certain amount of characters. So I'm just going to go to change it to just subscriber12 just for this example. Then click done. And then once that's done, you can go out of that, and then you will see like your name has changed within the game, and you can go on from there. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out and you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see my how-to videos on the Sonic at the Olympic Games app. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.